Experience the convenience of the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker. If you have been looking for a reliable and stylish countertop ice maker, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is a fantastic option to consider. This portable machine is designed to deliver up to 35 pounds of chewable nugget ice within 24 hours, making it a great choice for everyday use in your home office kitchen or even when you are camping. One of the standout features of this ice maker is how quickly it works. You can enjoy fresh nugget ice in just minutes, which means you never have to wait long when you want a cold drink. It also has a self-cleaning function that saves you time and effort, making sure the ice produced is always fresh and clean. The stainless steel silver finish gives it a sleek, modern look that blends well with almost any decor. Portability is another highlight. With its built-in handle, lightweight design, and included basket and scoop, it is easy to carry and convenient to use wherever you need it. Whether you are hosting friends at home, working in the office, or enjoying the outdoors, this machine makes it simple to have restaurant-style ice whenever you want. The ice itself is soft, chewable, and perfect for sodas, cocktails, smoothies, and more. Unlike traditional hard cubes, nugget ice is easy to chew and absorbs flavors better, making your drinks more enjoyable. Overall, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker offers impressive performance, convenient portability, and a design that looks great on any countertop. It combines efficiency with style and reliability, which makes it an excellent addition to your daily routine. If you want to grab one for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Right now it is available at a 24% discount off the regular price, so it is the perfect time to upgrade your ice making experience.